Have you ever misjudged someone you love? Today, we learn English through a story about love, regret, and a hidden sacrifice. My name is Sophia. I am 28 years old. I have been married to Liam for 5 years. He is 30 years old now. He is my husband, and he is a wonderful man. He is kind and soft-spoken. He is always calm and patient. He never raises his voice. He never insults me. He never ignores me. When I am sick, he takes care of me. When I am tired, he brings me food. He cooks dinner when I am late from work. He listens, and he holds me when I feel weak. He tells me, "You are strong, Sophia. I am proud of you." Liam is a good man. But slowly, I started to forget that. I have a good job. I am a graphic designer. I worked very hard for my career. I studied at night. I took extra courses. I pushed myself. But Liam, he works as a landscape gardener. He works long hours in the sun and the rain. He comes home late and exhausted with dirt on his hands. He never complains. He just says, "It's okay, Sophia. I like my work." I started looking at other couples. I saw women with expensive jewelry. I saw men buying new cars and big houses. I looked at Liam. He was wearing the same jacket for 3 years. He never bought me expensive things. I began to compare him. I began to feel angry. One evening, I asked him, "Liam, why don't you find a better job? Why don't you start your own gardening company?" He looked down and said quietly, "I don't know how. It's complicated." I became irritated. I said, "Other people do it. Why can't you?" But Liam, he just stayed quiet. He always stayed quiet. And that made me even angrier. But then something strange started happening. He began getting secret phone calls. He would leave the room and talk in a low voice. When I asked who it was, he would just say, "It's about work." A cold fear entered my heart. Was he hiding something from me? A few weeks later, he came home very late. He looked different, more tired than ever before. He didn't smile. He didn't talk. He went straight to the bathroom. And then I heard a loud sound, a thud. I ran inside. He was on the floor. His face was white. His hands were shaking. I was terrified. I screamed, "Liam, what is wrong?" He looked at me, his eyes barely open, and whispered, "I'm just so tired." The doctor said he was exhausted. His body couldn't take the stress. He needed immediate rest. I sat by his bed, holding his hand, and I finally saw the truth. I started to cry. "I'm so sorry, Liam. I didn't see. I didn't understand." He opened his eyes and saw me crying. He smiled his gentle smile and said, "Don't cry, Sophia. I just wanted to make you happy." Then he gave me a piece of paper. It was a bank statement. For months, he had been working a second job at night, loading trucks, and secretly saving every extra dollar. Not for a car, not for a suit. The note on the account said, "For Sophia's dream studio." The secret calls, the exhaustion, it wasn't what I thought. He was killing himself from my dream. He believed in me so much, and I was too blind to see his love. I was chasing diamonds while he was building me a foundation. I learned that love isn't about what you have, it's about what you give. Liam gives me kindness, patience, respect, and support. He gives me himself, and that is more than enough. Thank you for listening to The Silent Sacrifice. We hope you learned some new English words today. If this story touched your heart, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.